Twitter, Amylyx Pharmaceuticals, AutoZone, and Airbnb. Let's kick it off with Twitter because it was one of the biggest stories, if not the biggest story of the day. Elon Musk's $44 billion deal to buy the company back on the table. He's now saying that he wants to go through with it. We saw shares spike just around noon before the stock was halted. Taking a look at the intraday chart here, the stock resumed trading just before the end of the trading day, closed up 22%, the highest close that we've seen for Twitter since November. Taking a look at the chart, let's go back to the start of the year. You can see the spike in shares after Elon Musk disclosed that he wanted to buy the company for $44 billion. He said he wanted to put it on hold in May, and you saw the stock sell off as a result. It's been going back and forth here. Really a lot of volatility as the saga between the two sides has played out. So now the deal is back in play. That's why we saw the stock close up 22% today, $52 a share. Again, the deal is for $54.20 a share. So we'll see whether or not it surpasses that level tomorrow. Let's take a look at Amylyx Pharmaceuticals, the stock moving to the downside here in extended trading, off just about nearly 2%. On the move lower comes after the company has filed for the potential to sell shares. Now, this coming after the stock has surged in the past month. And taking a look at the month-to-date chart here, let's pull up a 2-month chart to really see the sharp move that we have seen over the past 2 months, up just around 21% in the past month, though, up 72%. A lot of that jump coming last week after the FDA approved its ALS drug. So certainly the company looking to capitalize on the surge that we have seen in shares. So the stock moving lower here on the heels of that news. AutoZone, the company, let's see, up just around 1% here. The stock, the company buying back an additional $2.5 billion of the stock. The repurchase plan started back in 1998. The total that has been authorized since then, $33.7 billion in share repurchases over the past 2 months. The stock has essentially been flat year to date, though, taking a look at that, up just around 5%. And rounding it out with Airbnb, a bullish call here on the company. Bernstein initiating coverage on the stock with an outperform rating, $143 price target. It's all about the growth potential here for the stock. Shares off just around 33% year to date. They're bullish, though, in terms of what Airbnb can do in the travel space over the coming quarter. Shares today closing up just around 5% on the heels of the broader market rally at $110.81 per share.